Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a concept in Yandere Simulator. Creating a strong concept is the first step to bringing your unique ideas to life within the game's world. It acts as a blueprint, guiding your creative process from start to finish. We'll cover everything from initial brainstorming to refining your final presentation. Get ready to transform your imaginative thoughts into a structured and compelling concept document. Finding inspiration is crucial for a compelling concept. Think about what aspects of Yandere Simulator you want to explore or expand upon. Consider different genres, character motivations, or even real-world scenarios that could translate into interesting gameplay. Don't be afraid to combine diverse elements to create something truly original and engaging for players. Now it's time to add the details. Flesh out your characters with distinct personalities and roles. Consider new gameplay mechanics that could enhance the experience, perhaps a new rival or a unique elimination method. Describe the visual aesthetics and the overall mood you want to convey. A well-detailed concept provides a clear roadmap for potential development. Finally, organize your concept into a clear, presentable format. Use headings, bullet points, and even mock-up images to illustrate your ideas effectively. Share your concept with others to gather valuable feedback. Be open to constructive criticism and use it to refine and strengthen your vision. A polished concept is much more likely to resonate with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.